Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Caffeine and BS for July 15th, 2019. It's freaking hot! Or didn't you get that hint? I understand New York had a power outage because of the flooding. Every once in a while, this sinus here decides to. Usually while I'm on camera, too. Sweet, isn't it? Animals, children, wives with cell phones, and sinuses that want to drain. The girls are off to see some movie about an evil doll. What can I say? Nana's into Harry Potter. Christy's into Goosebumps. Yeah. Woohoo! And I hate mixed cookies. Yeah. I'm off to see the cardiologist tomorrow, so she can tell me just how scared she is when she sees the data they got from my last test. Then I'm going to tell her, "You're scared? I'm the one they're going to put in a box and throw on the ground. You're scared." Ooh.